Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using Adobe XD. First, open Adobe XD and begin a new project. Select a web template or create custom artboards for your design. Remember to consider different screen sizes from the start. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth design process. We'll cover the essential steps to get your website concept off the ground efficiently. Next, let's focus on building your website's user interface. Create reusable components for elements like buttons and navigation bars. This saves time and ensures consistency across your design. Define your text styles and color palette early on to maintain brand identity. The repeat grid feature is excellent for quickly laying out repetitive content, making your workflow much faster. Now, it's time to bring your design to life with prototyping. Link your artboards together to create a clickable, interactive experience. This allows you to simulate how users will navigate your website. Incorporate subtle animations and transitions to make the user experience more engaging and dynamic. Sharing your prototype is easy, allowing others to test and provide feedback on your design. Finally, let's prepare your design for development. Export all necessary assets, such as images and icons, in the appropriate formats for your developers. Adobe XD can also generate design specifications, providing clear guidance on measurements, fonts, and colors. This ensures a smooth handoff process. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Your design is now ready to be built.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.